Want to check in with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson right now?
Yeah, once again, we can say it again, it is cold.
It is cold. Fortunately, this is a one-day cold spell. We'll start to warm things up tomorrow. But until then, on the Way 31 Skycam network, yeah, it's cold. We've got temperatures in the upper 30s in most spots. The lone exception is Decatur, where we're hovering at 40 degrees right now. And on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, it's looking pretty quiet. We still have the chance for at least a few flurries today, especially in our Tennessee counties. But we've been fairly quiet so far this morning. Regardless, whether we see flurries or not, it's going to stay chilly all day. High temperatures only in the low 40s. But when you factor in that wind, it's only going to feel like the 30s at best later on today. We'll see some clearing skies as well, maybe a few peaks of sun, especially this afternoon, but it's not going to warm us up at all. The wind is not going to be quite as blustery as what we've seen the last couple of days, but you'll still definitely feel it. We'll have some of those gusts, especially later on this morning, upwards of 20, maybe 25 miles per hour, which is the reason why, of course, those wind chills will stay in the 30s all day. So here we go with future radar. This is closer to 11 o'clock this morning. Keep in mind, if you're traveling north on I-65 towards Nashville this morning, they are going to have a better chance for those snow showers throughout the day. May actually get a nice little coating of snow up on the Cumberland Plateau between Nashville and Knoxville later on. Here at home, just a couple of flurries, no impacts, no accumulations whatsoever because those temperatures stay above freezing. We stay quiet overnight tonight, maybe some more clearing skies. This particular forecast model trying to squeeze out a few more snow showers Friday morning, but by this time tomorrow morning, our atmosphere is going to be really dry. So if there are any snowflakes that try to come down, they're not going to make it to the ground. So it'll be a dry start to the day on Friday, and Friday afternoon looks spectacular. A little bit warmer, still in the low 50s, so still just a touch cool, but at least it'll be a little bit warmer compared to what we're about to deal with today. Plenty of sunshine tomorrow, and as you look ahead to your weekend, it's a mixed bag yet again. Saturday looks very nice. Plenty of sunshine, highs getting close to 60. Clouds start to move in Saturday afternoon. Saturday evening looks fine, but later in the night, rain starts to move back in, and that rain stays with us all day long on Sunday. If you have any outdoor plans on Sunday, I would strongly encourage you to have some indoor backup plans. That rain's going to be with us all day. And this first wave of rain on Sunday is just the beginning of what is another round of active wet weather that stretches all the way into next week. We'll get a little bit of a break in the rain on Monday, then another round of showers and maybe a few storms rolls in on Tuesday. We'll keep that widespread rain with us Tuesday night into Wednesday. And this active pattern could go with us beyond the next 7 days, too. Most of us are going to see upwards of 2, maybe 3 inches of rain over the next 7 days. And given just how much rain we've seen so far in January, we're getting to the point now where we have to keep a closer eye on flooding with those creeks and rivers. We'll keep a very close eye on that, especially by the middle part of next week. Until then, we've got a few mostly dry days ahead, maybe a couple flurries today, that's all. Temperatures back in the low 50s on Friday with plenty of sun, close to 60 degrees on Saturday before that rain comes back in a big way starting Sunday.